Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jasmine McDonald and I post ballet and fitness related videos every single week. Today's 5-minute workout will target our core and it'll consist of tabatas, which means we will have 40 seconds on and 10 seconds of rest in between. Let's go ahead and get started by hinging halfway back on our sit bones and coming back up. If you're comfortable doing this exercise like this, go ahead and continue like this. Otherwise, if you want an extra challenge, bring one knee to your chest and tap the foot back down as you go back. Bring the knee in, tap it down. So you're alternating feet as you lift up and down. You've got about 16 seconds left wherever you're at. We've got about 3 more seconds. Beautiful. For a 10-second breather, go ahead and relax or hold this V hold for 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Let's find our V hold again. 2, 1. We're going to bring one knee to our chest and then extend the foot to hover off the floor. Bring it back in. We do 20 seconds on one side, 20 seconds on the second side. Continue on this side for 10 more seconds. Switch legs. Remember to roll the shoulders back. As you sit back, try to really tuck the pelvis under to engage your core. Keep going and keep that foot hovering off the floor. Beautiful. Go ahead and relax. Take a butterfly to stretch out your hips for a second. Next, roll the shoulders back. Go onto your elbows, still on your seat. Lift the legs about 45 degrees off of the floor, and we're going to tap one leg down for 20 seconds. Let's go. Starting with our right leg, or if you started with the left, totally fine. Just make sure to switch on the second side. We have about 10 more seconds left on the first side. Keep going. Keep your belly button moving to your spine. Shoulders rolled back, one long line from the top of your head to your sit bones. Let's change in 2, 1. Change feet. 20 seconds on the other side. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. For the next Tabata, we will be going into a low plank on our elbows. Tuck those toes under, lift the knees off the floor, and we're just going to gently tap one knee down and up and then switch. So we're alternating knees that tap down. We're not putting our weight or any pressure on that knee. We're just simply tapping it down. You'll really feel your lower abdominals fire up here. You've got about 30 seconds left. Keep going. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Go ahead and stretch out your arms, relax your back, untuck your toes, sit back into a child's pose. We go back into that low plank again, this time tapping both knees down and up at the same time. Let's go. 40 seconds. You've got this. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Go ahead and roll all the way onto your back. Option here to keep your head and your neck down on the floor as you bicycle your legs. While you're alternating, really keep in mind of keeping your back flat and your belly button connected to your spine. Option here to go ahead and take your arms in front of you as you lift your head and your neck. Or if this is too tiring on your neck, go ahead and take your hands behind the base of your skull to support the weight of your head. You've got about 20 seconds left. Keep going. And relax. We have those leg lowers. Go ahead and place your hands underneath your seat as option 1. We're going to lower our legs all the way down and all the way up, keeping our back flat and our belly button connected to our spine. Option here, if this is too easy or if you're up for a challenge, take your hands from underneath your seat. Maybe the arms go in front of you, or once again, maybe the hands go beneath your head. Keep going. We're almost done, guys. And relax. Guys, we are done. So go ahead, give yourself a hug. Grab the inside edges of your feet to open up your knees into a happy baby. Try to really press your back into the floor. And then next, we're going to roll all the way up. Thread your hands forward, tuck your toes under, send those hips up to your downward facing dog to stretch out the backs of your legs. Go ahead, do what feels good here. Maybe that's lifting the heels, alternating one foot and the other. Do what feels good. Gently come down, untuck the toes, and then look up into a cow to really stretch out your core. Maybe here you can squeeze your glutes and roll all the way down onto your belly. Option to go to a sphinx or a full cobra. And guys, we are done. I hope you guys enjoyed this core workout. Let me know what you want to see next in the comments down below. As always, it's such a pleasure. Have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and until next time, bye now.